Gentlemen, all three of you have completed successfully the requirements of Veterans Court. Counsel, you snuck up on me.
Corey Taylor for Mr. Big Shot.
All right, welcome here, Mr. Taylor. Each of the three of you have completed the requirements of Veterans Court. You know, each of you had a set of requirements that were tailored to your individual situation when your case was first referred to Veterans Court. Mr. Biggs, your case was a diversion case, and Mr. Haywood, yours was a VOP, is a VOP. And I understand that's scheduled to terminate the 23rd.
From my understanding, it was the 15th.
15th, I knew it was somewhere in that time period. And then, of course, Mr. Salmons, your case was a diversion case as well. So what that means is that you having successfully completed the requirements of the program, this court is prepared to graduate you from the program today. It's not necessary, but I always feel compelled to ask if any of the three of you at this time can give me any reason why I shouldn't graduate you from the program. Anybody? Everybody's good? Now, finally, Mr. Haywood, you know, judges don't play favorites. No judge ever played favorites with any defendant or any litigant that appeared in front of him. But I have to tell you, it's been a pleasure working. You know, we've been together for a while now. I've kind of watched you ride the roller coaster. You know, getting started was a bit of a chore for you, and then once you got started, just kind of keeping with it. But I think that you successfully looked at those three little girls you have at home and your lovely wife, and you realized that not completing this program successfully was letting them down. Forget about you, forget about me, forget about everybody else, but you were letting them down. And you can't afford to let them down. You got those three little girls to bring up, and you're the guy they're looking at. You're their example. You're the example of all men to those three little girls. So whatever they see from dad, that's exactly what they're gonna expect from men in their life. And what you're doing is showing them that you stand up, you complete what you start, and get it all done. And you're about 14 days away from completing that term of probation successfully. And as a result of that, you're gonna be able to be honest with them and tell them what you went through, what got you there to begin with, and how they can avoid that, how they can watch for that in people in their lives, right?
Yes, sir.
Well, I can't give you a no prize, because that's not gonna happen in this case. But what I can tell you is that, as you well know, your probation officer is here. And your probation officer is not violating your probation because of your successful completion of Veterans School. So come that date, whether it's the 15th or the 23rd, you will get successfully completed, and it will just quietly pass into the history of your life. And then you won't ever be back here or ever have to worry about that again. I do have a certificate for you though, indicating that you successfully completed Veterans Court. And I'd be horribly remiss if I didn't give you a set of dog tags. Let me just look and make sure they got your name on it. There they are. And that's something you can proudly show your daughter. So, there's your dog tag, sir. Congratulations. Gentlemen, attorneys, thanks for being here. Good luck. Come back and visit. You know, we can always use mentors. And there's nothing like a mentor that's been through the process. To talk to a veteran, I think you all could agree, somebody who been here, done this, understands the process, would be a great help to veterans that are coming into the program in the future. So give that some thought.